how you can reverse payment on FNB app. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, just open up your web browser and search for how to reverse uh, payment on FNB app. After you do that, just scroll down a bit and you will see the payment reversals option right here. Now tap on this. Now after you tap on this, let it load and your instruction site will open up. Now you can see right here there are 7 steps that you'll need to follow, and the first one would be to complete the reversal document. Now this is your reversal document right here. Make sure that you complete this, fill it up and with your correct information, and then second step is to ensure that the indemnity and waiver is signed. Now after that, for online banking enterprise and Fintegrate, you need to ensure that the indemnity is signed in terms of resolution, and again attach the resolution. Where no resolution is available, your FNB branch must verify the signatures on the waiver and indemnity. Again, after that, email this form at this uh, uh, address right here, and after you email that, you will receive an automated response with a reference number for the reversal request. And if this reference number is not received within 15 minutes, please contact them at this number right here. Now there are a few conditions right here too, so you can just check it out, and then you can even contact your contact FNB if you have requests and queries regarding the reversals. And that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you can reverse your payments on FNB app. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.